Syncing Joplin notes across devices ensures you can access your notes anytime, anywhere. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a synchronization service. Joplin supports services like Dropbox, OneDrive, Nextcloud, or WebDAV. Decide on the service you want to use. Set up synchronization on the first device. Open Joplin and go to Tools, Options, Synchronization. In the Synchronization Target dropdown, select your chosen service. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your cloud account. Once set up, click Check Synchronization Configuration to ensure it's working. Start the sync process by clicking Synchronize. Set up on additional devices. Install Joplin on your other devices. Navigate to the synchronization settings and choose the same service. Log in with the same cloud account and configure it exactly as on the first device. Click Synchronize to download all notes from the cloud. Sync regularly. Ensure all devices sync regularly by clicking the Synchronize button or enabling auto sync in settings.